Good morning everyone. Today we will start our geography chapter, environment. First of all, what is the meaning of environment? Environment is derived from French word environner. Environner meaning neighborhood. So as you know, neighbors are around us. So it means environment means all that things which are around us. And environment is a life support system. It gives us so many things like food that we eat, water that we drink, land where we stand, where we live. These all main things are provided by environment. Next topic is components of environment. So what are the components of environment? So there are three components of environment. Yes, first one is natural. Second, human made. Third one is human. So let's discuss these all one by one. First of all, natural. So what is natural component? Natural means given by nature. So all that things which are given by nature, that are called a natural components. Now we will subdivide this natural component into three parts. That parts are, first one is air, second is water, third is land. And there another names air. Air is called atmosphere. Yes. Second one, water. Water is called hydrosphere. Land is called lithosphere. Yes. Now, first of all, atmosphere. What is atmosphere? Atmosphere is a thin layer of air. It gives us protection from the harmful rays of the sun. And there are 5 different layers of the atmosphere. That are troposphere, stratosphere, thermosphere, ionosphere, and the ionosphere is a part of thermosphere, and the exosphere. So next one is water, means hydrosphere. So hydrosphere includes all water sources like ocean, lakes, seas, canals, all water sources are included in hydrosphere. So now what are the uses of water? So as you know, this is very simple question. We use water in our daily life like bathing, washing, brushing, and so many other purposes like agriculture purposes, industrial purposes. So many uses are here for water because water is a very important part of our life. And the next one is land, lithosphere. So lithosphere includes all landforms like mountain, plateau, plains, deserts also. And lithosphere is also gives us so many things. Means lithosphere gives us a grassland for grazing. It gives us forest, and it gives us so many other things also like minerals. Very important thing, mineral. That is very valuable also. This is also provides us by the lithosphere. So these are 3 main parts of the natural component. When we merge these all 3 parts, one new part is merged, that is called biosphere. It's not working. That is called biosphere. Biosphere includes all living and non-living components. And this is a mixture of all these three parts, means it is an interaction of atmosphere, hydrosphere and lithosphere. So this is about the natural component. And the next one is human made. Now what is human made? We can recognize the meaning of human made from its name only. Human made means made by human. So which things that are made by human, that are called a human made components. We can take example from simple like fans, table, doors, windows. So all these are made by human. So these are the part of human made things. We can take example from outside only. Also like bridges, parks, hospitals, roads, that are also made by human. So these are also include human made components. Hanji, next one is human. Human like we are human being. You are also human being. We are also the part of our environment. In human, we can include one person, one individual, his or her family, their community, their relational status, their education, their political, all these parts we can include in human component, that is a important component of environment. So these are the major components of environments, and these are also depend on each other. How? We are depends on natural things for our daily needs, because this is a main part of our life. And nature is also depends on human. How? Because all natural things are only things. But when human changed that all things with his knowledge and skill into a valuable resources, then that became the natural resource, not a thing. Firstly they were things, but when human changed them into a valuable things, that then they are called a natural resources. And human made is that is also related with human. This is common because these are made by human. So like that, all important or major components of the environments are depends on each other for their needs. Okay ji, this is for today's topic. Thanks, have a nice day.